Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Haley. We do all things makeup and lifestyle on this channel. And today I have a half-finished eye makeup look. If you've seen the first part of this video of the Colourpop review, this is where we stopped to do the Frosty the Snowman drawing on our eyeballs. So if you guys want to know how to draw Frosty on your eyeballs in tiny form, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. The first thing you're going to need is either body paint or wet liners or some sort of eye safe paint to draw with. I'm going to use the Madeyewlook body paint because I have hit pan on every single one of my Mehron body paints. I am going to remove a little bit of my eyeshadow on a little cotton swab. Oh, that dripped all over my pants. On a little cotton swab, because the eyeshadow will poke through with white. Any dark eyeshadow will poke through with white, so this is why we're doing this. So I'm just gonna take kind of the general area, usually smaller than the general area. And then my beauty blender, kind of blend that out. So we're gonna do a circle. I wanna have room for his top hat, so and fill that in. I'm gonna go with a bigger brush just to fill it in a little bit evenly. Then I'm gonna go in with his shoulders. Just a little bit. I'm gonna take gray and mix it with a little bit of black. And we're gonna draw his top hat. So I'm gonna start off with a line on his head, all the way across. And then we're gonna make a little edge right here and an edge right here. Kind of square it off. And then we're gonna make a top hat. We're gonna make a curved line at the top. Bring it down. So then we're gonna make little tiny curves on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and fill his hat in. Then taking black, I'm gonna draw the ribbon on it. And then I'm going to outline the top of the hat. And if you go too far in, you can just go back in with gray paint and fix her up. And I'm going to finish outlining the rest of his hat this way. And then I'm gonna make a line right here. I'm gonna pretty much make like a half circle. And then to make the part of his scarf that goes over top, we're just gonna go a little bit above here and make this drawn out. I'm gonna do the scary part, which is his eyes right now. So I'm gonna do 2 dots. I have more control with an eyeliner pen, so I'm actually gonna do this part with an eyeliner pen. Now we're gonna fix it. So taking some white body paint. Now that I got a general idea of where his eyes are, I'm gonna take some red body paint and do his nose. And then mouth, which is in gray, not black. while some of Frosty dries, I'm gonna outline him in gray. I feel like his cheeks need to be puffier. Something's just not looking like a Frosty. Taking a little bit of blue, I'm gonna do the inside of Frosty's mouth. Taking some black body paint, we're gonna do Frosty's scarf. I want to do the little pink flower now. Ah! While that dries, we're going to go in and add little highlights to the scarf. So I'm just taking a little bit of white body paint. I'm going to go at the top, like that. And I'm going to give him a little highlight on his nose. Now I want to add in some snowflakes to kind of tie in everything together, because I don't like that there's just a character right on the end. So we're going to add some snowflakes with a smaller X through it. And then you add little guys off of them, off the big ones. And then you have a snowflake. Look at that cute little snowflake. And we're just gonna add another. And then I'm gonna add little tiny snowflakes in the middles, and then we're gonna put little tiny dots that represent snowflakes as well. I'm just gonna do like mini little stars. Like that. We're gonna put tiny dots. Like it's snowing. Now that we got our snowflakes done, we're gonna go in with our blue center of our flower. And then I'm gonna add a little tiny white highlight to his hat. And there we have drawn Frosty the Snowman on our eyeball. Alright, let's draw his hat. I'm gonna swoop inward. And then we're gonna draw the same swoop. And then rounded edges. Just like it would be, but without his head. Round out the bottom. So we're gonna draw his band. And fill in the black. Taking black, I'm going to outline the hat. I'm going to blend that in with some gray. Gonna add in our pink flowers. Blue dot. Add in highlights. Oh, that's too much. And that's how I drawed Frosty's hat. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my snowflakes and pop on a pair of lashes, and I will be right back. And here's the finished look. I love the little hat. And then Frosty, it looks so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this little how-to video. I do usually voiceover tutorials, whereas this one was walking you guys through it as I did it. It is really hard to kind of explain the different shapes and thought process through it while I'm trying to steady my hands. So let me know if you guys like these types of videos, or if you guys like me to stick to the voiceovers. I can do either order. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. If you like me, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!